Welcome to Mr. Smith's Instrumental Instruction Podcast. Today I will teach you to assemble and hold the saxophone. We will begin by opening the saxophone case. It is very important to make sure the saxophone case is laid flat on the ground before opening it. Some students try to open the case on their lap and accidentally drop the case and instrument onto the floor. You should also make sure that the case is right side up. You can be positive the case is right side up by lifting the latches to open them. If, when opening the alto saxophone case, you push the latch down to open it, the case is upside down and the instrument will spill out onto the floor. Inside the saxophone case, you will find several pieces which assemble to create the saxophone. You have the body, the neck, the mouthpiece and ligature, and the neck strap. Next, I will teach you to assemble the saxophone. Begin by placing the neck strap around your neck. At the bottom of the strap, you will find a clip. The clip attaches to the saxophone here. Once the neck strap and saxophone are properly attached, it is impossible for the saxophone to accidentally fall onto the floor. Next, remove the end cap or pad guard. The end cap protects the pin that controls the octave key. Next, we will attach the neck to the saxophone. Before attaching the neck, you must loosen this screw at the top of the body of the saxophone. Place the bottom of the neck into the hole at the top of the body and gently twist back and forth. Finally, you will attach the mouthpiece to the corked end of the neck using a twisting motion. Next, I will teach you to place your right hand on the alto saxophone. Begin by placing your right thumb underneath the thumb rest. Next, you will place your pinky on the top pinky key, your ring finger on the bottom pearl, your middle finger on the next pearl, and your pointer finger on the next pearl. This is your right hand. Lastly, I will teach you to place your left hand onto the saxophone. Begin by placing your left thumb onto the black button on the back of the saxophone next to the octave key. Next, place your pinky onto the top pinky key, your ring finger on the bottom pearl, your middle finger on the next pearl above that, and then skipping a key, place your pointer finger on the following pearl. Once again, notice the skipped key in between the middle and pointer fingers. This is the left hand. The beginning saxophonist should practice assembling and holding the saxophone for 1 to 2 minutes each day. I recommend closing your eyes and placing your fingers onto the saxophone. Use your sense of touch to discover where each finger should go. This completes our lesson on assembling and holding the saxophone.